Dopamine, the chemical that makes you feel good, but right now, it might be destroying your brain. Dopamine was meant to reward effort. You finish a workout, you get a hit. You solve a problem, you get a hit. You create something new, dopamine rewards you. But today, your brain is hijacked. Junk food, endless entertainment, constant notifications, all fake dopamine, fast spikes, zero effort. The more you chase these shortcuts, the less real life excites you. Work feels boring, studying feels impossible. Your goals, they don't move you anymore. That's why you feel stuck. That's why your focus is gone. That's why progress feels out of reach. So what's the fix? You reset. Cut the fake hits, sugar, mindless videos, useless scrolling. Replace them with real wins. Read one page, do 10 push-ups, learn one new skill. At first, it feels flat, but then your brain rewires, focus sharpens, motivation comes back, and progress starts to feel exciting again. Dopamine isn't your enemy, but if you don't control it, it will control you. And if you're serious about breaking free, I've got something for you. A 90-day challenge, your winter arc, the one shift that could change you forever. Click here to watch that video now and start your real transformation today.